Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You join the meeting and immediately begin. Make sure you are the organizer or have recording rights, because Teams enforces tenant policy. Once in the call, open More Actions and tap Start Recording. You can enable live transcription at the same time. You do this now so the meeting content captures from the first exchange. Remember, Teams stores recordings in OneDrive or SharePoint for easy sharing and retention, so the why is clear. Cloud storage ensures accessibility and permission controls. Once started, actively manage the recording. Pause when you need a private break and resume when relevant content returns. You should watch the recorder icon and chat notifications so everyone knows recording is live. That reduces consent problems. Make sure to enable transcription if you want searchable text, because Teams pairs the transcript with the video for faster review. While the meeting runs, avoid moving recordings between folders. This can delay processing. After the meeting ends, Teams finalizes the file and transcript in the cloud. After the meeting ends, open the meeting chat to find the recording link or navigate to OneDrive/SharePoint where Teams saved the MP4 and transcript. You can change sharing permissions, download the file for editing, or move it to a different folder for long-term retention. If the recording doesn't appear, first verify tenant recording policy, available storage, and that you were the organizer, then restart Teams and try again. If problems persist, rerun the meeting with a co-organizer who has recording rights as a workaround.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.